everybody, welcome back to the channel. I wanna make a little video. We are in beautiful Pasadena, California. I came to buy some 100 octane gas. Now I'm going back home. I did the oil change, 20,000 mile oil change. I mean, I just did that oil change because I did the transmission fluid change, and so I thought I might as well could do the oil change also. So I changed the transmission oil, the filter in it, and now I have good fluid in there. I bought the Mopar original oil for it from the dealer. It cost a lot of money. I paid like around $500 something for the oil and the filter and seal kit. So, but the dealer would charge more than $1,000, close to $1,500 for the whole package. So I did it myself. I didn't make a video about it because I know a lot of people made a video about it already, and that's the reason why I didn't do it. So, but I changed it. I have 20,075 miles. The oil was pretty dirty, so whoever says you can run the car with the original oil until the end of the transmission, yeah, you probably can, because your transmission is gonna die sooner or later if you don't change the oil. So I don't want that. So at 20,000, that's why I changed the oil in the transmission. So now I have all the fluid, all the oils clean in the engine and transmission, so I'm good to go. It was not too hard to do it. Probably anybody can do it. Just if you have a lift, it's easier than if you jack it up and go underneath the car and do it, because that's how I did it. I lifted up. The bottom of the car was about 18 inches from the ground, and that's how I did the transmission fluid change. It was not really pleasant, and when you fill it up, then on the end you have to run the engine, so you're gonna have the correct amount of oil in the transmission. So I had to start up the engine, go underneath and do the job, and there is a hot exhaust there, so it was pretty hard. Alright everybody, that's it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a beautiful one.